it's Bruce, and I'm also with Reptile Boy 202. I mean 02, sorry. And today we're going to do some more Comic Castle, or even the Dark Age. So Kian has never played this before.
I don't know what to do. Help me.
Alright, what you do is you're going to right click on the red wall.
I'm already on.
And any red wall, so you can go in the village, the barb camp, watchtower, or the west tower.
Where we go? I might need help.
Let's just go to the village. So right click on the village.
I need. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah. There we go. Okay.
And you should spawn. Now just go down. Now you're a knight, but you can be an archer if you choose to be.
This man, I see you. I'm going down the ladder. Help me, archer. What?
Alright, when you die.
When you die, I'll show you. I'll do
Yeah, when you die, Harry will show you.
Okay.
Wait. Alright, so.
Wait for us.
Wow, it's full.
Now everybody, Ollie is Ollie. If you don't know, Reptile Boy is Harry. Oh, well then, you just give my secret identity away.
And this guy.
The government now know who I am.
The government.
They don't know.
It's a knight, kill it.
Run.
Wow, I'm so laggy. Is anyone else? Is this just me or am I
The
laggy?
only reason you're lucky is because you're holding your sword.
I'm not holding a sword, I'm holding a bow.
I'm so proud. Actually, I didn't think I killed him. I think.
Well, it gives you a ding if you kill them.
He's not dead.
No, that's another one, I saw him.
There we go.
Oh yes, I hit him. I'm a hero. Yay!
No, he's here at the village.
This is actually the first map I ever played on Dark Age.
Come on, I'm so proud.
So it's a reunion, you're playing on the same... It's an archer, let's get him.
Hey. Oliver, he's at the watchtower. I don't have. Oh no, he's not at the watchtower. He's at the village. And if he takes the
Me and
village,
Kian are fighting together.
Ian, no, I really want to be an archer.
Well, when you die, you can be an archer.
Do the people know how the game goes?
Well, hopefully if they saw my last video, they will know, but just for Kian's sake.
I saved your life. Someone came up behind me and I killed him.
Okay, thank you. There's some guy with diamond armor, be careful.
Die. Ow! Ow! This guy is not hitting me at all. Okay.
Die! Let's kill him.
So many arrows in him.
I know, that's probably me.
Where are you?
We're fighting some guy in diamond armor who just won't die.
I don't know where you are. I'm just here. Village. Ow.
We got him! Alright, let's go capture this place, if we can.
I haven't played that before.
You're in half a heart. Alright, then suicide run. You'll probably get shot by an archer right now.
I'm right behind you.
Probably gonna get shot by an archer soon, so.
Just the three of us should go Assassin's Creed style and just take over their village. Yes, that shot. That other shot.
But I can't hit anyone, I'm lagging too much.
Oh, I died. How did
Well, I'm actually hitting quite a lot of people, but not.
Are you lagging?
Ah! Okay, I'm dead, so I'll wait for Kian, then I'll show him how to.
Right, walk the King's Keep.
Kian. Follow me. Alright, you want to go to the iron ones. And then you want to click and not right click. Archer.
Okay, right, go to the King's Keep. I'm on the roof, so show him how to
Alright.
get there.
He knows, just right click on the King's Keep.
Yeah, but then get to the roof of the King's Keep. Hurry up.
The roof?
Yeah, there's you know the path.
Oh, there's a little walk.
I'm following you always.
There's little stairs.
I'm on the battlements.
I see you.
Ollie, I see you. Right, where's Chrisman, you nearly fell. Come over here to me.
You could have died.
Okay, let's just go onto the roof. Ollie and
We
Chrisman.
got snipers, beware.
I'm following Harry.
Snipers, get down.
Chrisman,
Oh god, there's a crossbow. Crossbow. Oh, thank god that crossbow's dead.
And we can snipe. Look, there's someone. We can snipe at them now. No, sniping is fun. I just sniped at my own gun as an idiot.
Yeah, this guy just walked in the way of my shot.
There's not a red flag. That's not yours. Oh, that's an engineer. They're not good at attacking, but really good at booby traps. Oh, nice shot. Oh no, that was Chris, the basher. He goes in this all the time.
So,
We are winning.
I'm going down since you left me without telling me.
Oh, we're on the roof. Oh god. Get down. Chrisman, get down. There's a crossbow. Get down. Make sure they can't see you.
They can like two-shot you, and they don't have to aim. They just shoot,
Yeah.
and it hits you.
Okay, let's go down here.
They're like Ronaldo when he scores. He doesn't have to aim. He just shoots and it goes in. Oh yes, I found a fellow possessed him.
I'm going to bed.
Ah, you can't because it's day. Right. Shh. We're hunting rabbits. I'm fighting a crossbow guy. No, I'm not really fighting him. I'm shooting him.
So the watchtower's being taken.
Really? I don't know who's shooting me, but I'm gonna find out about it. No, he's my friend. Just trying to scare me.
I'm going to the watchtower if anyone wants to aid me in any way.
I don't know where I am. Ah! To victory! If you don't know, Keen, never run with a sword.
Yeah, never run with a sword. Why?
You just lag to death.
Okay, that guy's...
And when I say you lag to death, you literally lag to death.
Yeah, you'll die. You lag so much you die. I'm not lagging at all. I'm not lagging at all. I'm lagging.
Cake.
And in the background, I put this guy.
Also, don't eat cake because you just go hungry straight away, so you can eat more cake.
Yeah. Oh, I just attacked it and a diamond guy spawned right next to me. Oh, that was scary.
I've hid in the back of a camp, yeah, and then five people spawn. I was just like, no. I don't know what this guy's doing, but we need to place ladders. Move.
I'm the only archer around here. You die.
No, actually, we're archers too. Yeah, we're capturing a flag.
I'm scared. I'm hiding.
Me and Friesen and FJ. Okay. Well, we are winning to the max.
I am sniping everybody and I died.
I know. Can I just say, it's for some reason everyone is better at shooting an arrow on this. Like, me and Harry have hit the most epic shots ever.
Yeah, my kills is 5. Where did you guys at? I'm dead. Go to the village.
Why the village? We need to catch all the places.
No, because all our places, including the village, are under attack. Okay.
Yeah, but the whole castle is almost ours if we just take one more base.
Yeah, I know. Just go grab iron, grab your swordsman's kit, and just run straight there.
Be careful, because there is either 50 or 49 people on their team.
No, all of them.
Whoa, you got a dogger situation.
No, evil people.
No jumping. Especially no jumping.
Someone please spawn at the village. I'm on my own.
Cool story being on your own and all.
Okay.
Trying to make us feel bad.
Ow,
Well, it worked.
How did that guy just do that? This archer was beating me up. By shooting.
I know, I hate archers that are better than you. It makes you feel really bad. Oh crap, I'm out of arrows. Whoops, pardon my French.
Okay, you might want to take cover.
No, I'm just gonna look for an ending chest. La 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 la.
Hi, Dad.
La la la. Yeah, found more arrows. Come on, we can win this. This is either going to be a very long episode or it's going to end very shortly.
Well, the map ends in 16 minutes.
Yeah, but unless we win this. So let's crack open a paddle of teamwork and let's do it.
Well, why is no one with me then? I'm falling off bridges.
Because we haven't opened it yet. We haven't got the cork opener.
Dramatic. I just got shot and fell off a bridge into lava. I don't even know how the lava was there.
I know, it's just like, yeah, we're just going to place some lava here so people can have like dramatic deaths.
Oh my god. I just went against
Oh crap.
full,
Alright, Harry, where are you? I'm going to spawn next to you.
I'm at the village.
I'm coming to the village.
I'm at the village.
Wait. Can everyone be quiet?
Sorry.
Chrisman?
In the background.
Chrisman?
Well, I'm at the village. I see you.
Chrisman? Shh. You gotta speak up.
Sorry about the voices in the background.
Yeah, it's not very good video. Ah! Same, I just spawned in a bunch of stairs.
I'm sorry about the noises, sorry. I'm sure listening into my personal life will make the viewers very happy.
Yeah, this is why it's good having
Yep.
a friend with a computer in his hole.
I must have taken away half it with his health then. I just jumped off the tree.
Take down the gate.
I just one shot and
Take down the gate. With your bow and arrow, you gotta take down the
okay, I'm
gate.
getting into where the bridge is.
Is there lava under the bridge? Where's the lava under the bridge? You haven't been lying, have you?
Sorry about the noises. I'm really sorry. You need to speak up. We can't hear you.
Yeah. Think of the viewers. Ah! Wow.
The viewers will really like to listen to our fireside. Hello. God, that was my brother, and his breath stinks. That's not even funny.
Yeah, we need one more place. Just spawn around. Spawn at the East Tower, everyone. We need one more base and then we've won.
Yeah, but they're also taking over another base as well.
Yeah, but we need one more base and we've won. If we can take that base before they take in our base, then we've won.
Yeah, I'm fighting him. I'm fighting him to the death. He is gonna lose. One more hit and I'm dead. Oh, I won. I won and it's 9 now. It's 9.
Yeah, we won.
We won.
And that's going to be the end of my episode. I'm not sure about you. It's going to be the end of my episode. What? So many people. Alright, so the server restart. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you could give me for all the interruptions, like Kian not speaking, or even Harry not having his personal life interrupted by this video. But anyway, on that Russell, I'm going to have to say goodbye. Hope you subscribe and like this video, and goodbye.